Iwemi dene. Today's lesson. Eni oge mavedo ikbiabihuo. Iwemi no geha. Edo names for male and female. Part 3. Esohe. Free gifts. Esosa. God's gifts. Ikpomosa. I praise God. Ikpomoba. I praise the Oba. Edobo. Edo prophesy. Arawa. When looking for wealth. Agwe even. Don't wrestle with destiny. Imariuge. I didn't come to stare. Ivie. Cora beads. Isowame. I have reached my home. Osaigbovo. God does not envy. Osagioduwa. God reveals way to wealth. Ohombamu. Fear of the Oba. Egobamie. Oba's time trends. Ogogo. Joy. Ogogosa. God's joy. Osarwese. Thank God. Osasume. God leads me. Isaiah say, I chose a good destiny. Osayame. God added for me. Osagumero. God is with me. Osadebame. God is on my side. Osarume say, God has done me well. Imafidon, I didn't do wrong. Osarieme, God gave me. Iwino bozuyome, work of the hands gives pride. Egwasa, God's palace. Otasowie, evening became morning. Osemigie, more than just a title. Osaenoma, God knows the good one. Wala waga wemina, nuwabe lelima bugana, wahia wesi. Please share this video so others can learn and do well to follow us. Thank you.